SPR builds safer, faster, and smarter tools. Refined through years of field experience, every tool has one mission: reliability when it matters most. SPR aggressive pipe lathe is best in class. No surprises, just performance. Designed for portability and ease of use, it's built for speed and accuracy. Combined with SPR's Weld test isolation plug, it delivers maximum safety and reliability. Its superior dual seal system ensures a consistent seal on challenging surfaces, included but not limited to pitted, out of round, or seam welded pipe. With just a few turns of the socket, you get a secure, dependable hold, ensuring safe isolation and rock-solid performance. Fill, vent, and the upstream bypass are the 3 lines for safe operation. Gauges can be connected to measure and ensure precise control with no guesswork. Coupled with the custom lightweight aluminum SPR pump can, capable of reaching 3,000 psi, it is field tested for the toughest and most critical moments. Pressure then builds between the plug seals, demonstrating complete isolation integrity in real time. Stable pressure and safe venting through the bypass system means it performs exactly as designed. Once welding begins, our plug stays safely positioned outside the heat-affected zone, protecting the tool while maintaining steady pressure. After the weld is complete, the same plug can be used as a localized hydrostatic weld test plug. Simply release it from its position, slide it forward to straddle the weld, and begin a new hydrostatic weld integrity test. When hydrostatic testing of the weld is finished, safely release and remove the plug from the pipe. Complete the process by tightening the fasteners to ensure a durable, leak-free flange connection. Redefining precision, Superior empowers teams to work safer, faster, and with total confidence. Built on a foundation of precision, performance, and reliability, SPR delivers the tools and technology that set new standards for efficiency and accuracy in every job.